Hey guys, this is Bruce from Epic Exposure again out here in North Bend, Washington. We're just kind of running through a feature set, the features that we have in the studio today, just so you can get some idea of what the capabilities are and what we have out here available. So what I'd like to show you now is that we're able to set up kind of an elevated surface, and then we have this black Lexan, 4x8 sheet of black Lexan. In fact, we have 3 of these sheets. So if you have a really big project that requires this amazing reflective surface, we certainly have the capability to do that in our raw material stock. So we can shoot everything small, we can set lights around it to do things like that. We can get bicycles, we've had people. It's very, very versatile and gives you a nice, interesting look. And you can get close in software, but you really can't get exactly the fine detail in software that you can getting it right in camera the first time. So again, this is just something that we offer available as part of the infrastructure of the studio for our rentals. Or if you have ideas of how you think something should look, this might actually be a tool that we use to solve a problem. So I just want to call your attention to that. On to the next one. Okay, bye-bye.